Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will know how to use aloe vera for acne, treating pimples and the ways it may make your skin soft and smooth. Let us begin. Due to its soothing properties to heal skin, aloe vera is widely used to get smoother and better skin. Also, it has no side effects as it already contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in it. Furthermore, the gel formed inside the thick and serrated leaves of aloe vera treats acne and gives fantastic results on your skin. Here are some of the most influential and helpful usages of aloe vera for acne. You can make these face masks at home and they can be prepared with minimal items which you probably will find it in your home. Now let us see what are they. Make aloe vera, honey and cinnamon face mask. Use aloe vera as antibacterial spray. Make aloe vera and lemon juice face mask. Apply aloe vera with tea tree oil cleanser. Mix aloe vera with baby oil and apply on your face. Mix apple cider vinegar with aloe vera. Mix aloe vera with turmeric for acne. Make milk, aloe vera and sugar mask. Apply aloe vera with honey on your face. Mix glycerol with oat flakes and aloe vera and apply. Mix garlic with aloe vera and apply. Apply cabbage with aloe vera. And lastly, you can apply aloe vera with walnuts. Choose any of the available ingredients to mix with aloe vera from the list mentioned earlier and make the face pack, face mask to get rid of acne and pimples off your face. As aloe vera contains the ability to extract excessive oil from the skin pores, it will also heal your skin and will prevent further pores from happening. Use the face pack twice a week and get acne-free, smooth and glowing skin naturally. Hoping you will follow either of the one in your daily routine and notice the change within a few days. Thank you.